Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we have affordable smartphone from HOTWAV. There we find a generous large 6.8-inch display as much as 8GB of RAM, a generous 6150 mAh battery, 48 megapixel camera, NFC, the latest Android 13 OS and a very modern design as well as a luxury design of the back that resembles leather. You better take a look at this HOTWAV Note 12 video review because this could be an ideal smartphone just for you. If you are looking for a modern design smartphone at a very reasonable price, take a look at this offer in the link of this video and you will find this excellent new HOTWAV Note 12 smartphone available to everyone. So I start unpacking. It comes to us in this black box. At the top we find our Note 12 smartphone. What else we have here? USB Type-C data cable for charging and data transfer, and there is also a 80 watts fast charger. Okay, let's move on our smartphone. What I like is that the HOTWAV Note 12 comes with a pre-installed screen protector out of the box. I have to admit that this is a very eye-pleasing and very modernly designed smartphone with the anti-slip rear surface that feels just like rear leather to the touch. I don't know how familiar you are, HOTWAV is a brand that produces robust and bulletproof smartphones and tablets, which we have already tested on our YouTube channel. So even though this model is not from the series of robust smartphones, I have to admit that this seems really solid and well made. Nothing cracks or twists, the workmanship is superb for this affordable smartphone. It comes in two colors, a very attractive orange that I regret not having here today, and this elegant black that we have here with us in review. Once again, HOTWAV has done a great job in terms of design. Note 12 is an attractive phone which looks even better in person than on the screen which from you are viewing this. So from the front we have a really large 20:9 aspect ratio, 6.8-inch HD plus 712 by 1640 pixel resolution display with the punch hole in the middle where we find a 60 megapixel camera with face unlock function. The screen have a really strong lighting so that you can read even in a bright sunlight without any problems. I can say that I haven't seen a smartphone with such a strong backlight for a long time. It also has excellent viewing angles and you also have the option of adaptive light. Although 720 by 1640 resolution in the price range is average, but I think you will be satisfied this screen looks better in real life than the numbers say. By default, the colors of the screen are adjusted automatically depending on environment, and if you wish you can set it to standard mode in which the colors are not oversaturated and look very realistic. So on the right side of the phone there is a rubberized volume buttons and below them is the on and off button which is also a fingerprint reader. On the opposite side there is a dual nano SIM card slot which supports two SIM cards or one SIM card and a micro SD memory card up to 1 TB at the same time. On the bottom side we have USB Type-C port and microphone and a grill under which is quite loud speaker. Now let's take a look at the back side. As I said before, it's made of a material that imitates leather. It is very pleasant to the touch and best of all, it is totally non-slip. The most attractive thing here is of course this camera model, which looks very modern and fashionable. There is the main one and it's written here, this 40 megapixel camera, 2 megapixel macro lens, and next to it is auxiliary camera and we also find the LED flash here. I must mention that this phone is not photographically oriented, but still for this price range the camera turned out to be more than good. Well, we found some free time, walk around the neighborhood and make a set of several photos with our Note 12. How the photos turn out, take a look at the rest of the video. I hope the Note 12 didn't disappoint you in these photographic results. I can say that it's performed quite well for this price range. Now let's talk a little about the performance of the Note 12. This smartphone is powered by Unisoc Tiger T606. It is entry-level octa-core chipset made in 12nm technology with 2 big ARM Cortex A75 cores up to 1.6 GHz and 6 power-efficient ARM Cortex i55 cores up to 1.6 GHz. I know, although it doesn't sound spectacular, in combination with 8 GB of RAM and the latest Android 13, the Note 12 really goes like a little dragon. Quickly and agile without stopping. Fluency software for daily use is provided with the latest Android 13 OS, so you will be able to be satisfied with the daily speed of this smartphone. Even playing the latest gaming titles will not be a problem, of course, not a very graphically demanding ones, but all other light games will work without problems. As I was said, the screen is quite nice and I think it is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The side bezels are reasonably in the size. Overall, there is plenty of space for browsing website, playing some video games or catching up YouTube videos. This model actually runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, while you can have all the latest Android features. In fact, the original pure Android 13 seems it's better than most mainstream brands' customized assistants. On the new Note 12 you also have absolutely all the services powered by Google, which means that it could work well worldwide without any problem. The phone also has a pre-installed tool bag for outdoor activities or work. And there is really no pre-installed bloatware apps. It features 4 satellite navigation systems: GPS, GLONASS, Balileo and Galileo. Although the Note 12 doesn't exactly have some high performance, we are still pretty satisfied with such an affordable phone brings. With a large 6150 mAh battery, its combination with excellent Android 13 and the Tiger T606 processor, it resulted in excellent autonomy that we would like to see on all smartphones. I could easily use it for 2 days on a single charge, and there were cases where a battery lasted even on the 3rd day until the late afternoon hours. Of course, all depends on a lot of factors and the way of using the device, but I think that regardless of all that, you will be more than satisfied with this device. HOTWAV Note 12 brings a very attractive case and very good screen stretched from edge to edge without a notch. It may not be waterproof, but that's why you have at your disposal two excellent economical processor in combination with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory, upgradable up to 1 TB, which is a good foundation even for the future. Solid display with excellent brightness in strong sunlight. On the top of that there is an indispensable multifunctional NFC function. It also has an excellent triple 48 megapixel camera with excellent autonomy with a 6150 mAh battery that you can be extend very efficiently on the 80-watt fast charger. In short, you get the top budget device with only a few minor flaws, such as the lack of the 3.5mm jack or the lack of the water resistance. As far as I'm concerned, this is a Best Buy device with a great modern design in this price range. HOTWAV is a great brand that makes high quality, robust and reliable devices, so it did it this time too with the Note 12 model. Now is a chance to buy this smartphone at an extremely affordable price. The official sales links are below this video, don't forget to click on it and hurry up and grab your new HOTWAV Note 12 today. That will be all for now, see you soon with some new video, bye.